Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be fitting a snorkel on this immaculate looking Suzuki Jimny. Now it does seem a little bit of a shame to fit one, but I'm a big fan of the snorkels on these things. I think they look really good. So I'll take you over to the bench in a minute and show you the snorkel kit before we fit it, and then I'm just going to show you quickly how to fit it onto your car. I mean, look at this. It is absolutely immaculate for one of these. Even in the wheel arches there's no rust anywhere, there's no even surface, there's a bit of surface rust on the chassis, but it is really nice, this little thing. As you know, I'm a big fan of the Jimnys. Just go and have a look on my other videos. My Jimny's got a 1.6 and a 2-inch lift and all sorts of little upgrades, but it's nice to see them in this sort of condition. So anyway, let's get over to the bench. This is the snorkel. You can get different makes. You can get them that just come in front of the door and go up the side of the windscreen, or you can get them like this one that goes halfway down the wing. So the bulk kits, the safari intake, but this is one of the most important bits. This helps you out so much. So if you buy a second-hand one, you won't get that. This goes onto the wing, and it's a template to allow you to fit it. These are really good. So let's get this Jimny on the ramp, take the wheel off, and take the inner wheel arch off just to remove the old intake system. Show how pristine this thing is. It's only done 40,000 miles, and the red paint, the overspray from new, is still all over the chassis. Which they're all like that, but this is absolutely immaculate under here. Makes mine look like a right shed. So to get this snorkel to fit properly, you've got to remove the wheel, remove the inner arches, and remove the old intake system. So to do that, I'm just going to put it on the ramp, send it up, take the wheel off, and remove everything from behind this wheel. Yeah, so the battery's got to come off to get to the evap. I think it's the evap canister. Let's take it. So stick it in. Right, all this wing is clear now. Let's drill the snorkel through here, and then that goes then into the air filter. I've just put this over the top just to make sure they all line up, and they don't. That one's slightly out, that one's way out, and that one's not very good either. So we shall make it work. So that one. Pretty much where it's going to go. I think this is actually for the pre-facelift that has different, the wings are slightly different. as it doesn't fit very well. It's not really the best stencil I've ever seen. I wish I'd kept mine actually, because that was perfect. Alright, we'll just put a bit of masking tape where I'm going to drill, and should save the paintwork underneath then. So now it's all masked off, it's time to drill them all out. So I'm going to start with the big one, get it to the correct size and offer the snorkel in, and then fit the others around the snorkel. That goes through, that's now into the air filter. That's just a case of bolting it on. Right, now that's all nice and secure. It fits very, very well. I do believe this snorkel is for the pre-facelift, but it does fit the facelifts as well. So now I'm going to fit the airbox, make sure everything lines up properly, and then I can start putting the inner wheel arch back on. There is one mount at the top you've got to drill and rivet. But for now I'm just going to fit the airbox, make sure everything lines up properly, and then just build it back up. Final piece is just to fit the safari top, give it a bit of a clean, and we'll take it outside and have a look. You can see these things look fantastic with a snorkel fitted. It really adds to the character of Orange. It's this really funny car. So I hope you enjoyed that one. that was just a quick video on how to do it, and it can be a little bit of a pain, but look at the end result, it's amazing. So if you enjoyed that, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.